Hello everyone, welcome to Little Thoughts, talking about or in continuation of various types and benefits of Rudrakshas. Moving on to 10 Mukhi or 10 face Rudrakshas. As mentioned in my previous videos, the name of the Rudrakshas are directly connected with the number of lines that are existing on the surface of the beads. So 10 Mukhi Rudrakshas will have 10 clear natural lines on its surface. It is one of the kind of Rudraksha which is not associated with any planet, and it is also believed that it is one of the most sacred bead that is applicable for any kind of circumstances. Because of these qualities, it is said that any individuals can wear this Rudrakshas without any restrictions and attain its benefits. The important aspect of the 11-Mukhi Rudraksha is it supports those individuals who suffer from extreme or sudden anger, and secondly, it is also said that it removes the Vastu related faults, be it home, office or one's life. And one of the key aspects of the 10 Mukhi Rudrakshas are this is associated to 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu or the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. Because of this aspect, the wearer of this Rudraksha is blessed by Lord Vishnu. 11 Mukhi or 11 face Rudrakshas. So this Rudraksha will have 11 clear lines on its surface. It is also one of the kind of Rudrakshas which is not associated to any of the planets, and the ruling deity is called the 11th Rudra. The other name is Lord Hanuman. We all know Lord Hanuman for his courage, bravery and his adventure. So it is believed that the wearer of this Rudraksha will attain the courage and supports the individuals for any fear that he is going through in his life. It is also said that this Rudraksha is blessed by Lord Indra, who is the bestower of fortune. 12 Mukhi or 12 face Rudraksha. So obviously this will have 12 clear natural lines, and the ruling planet is Sun. Sun is known for his power, so this Rudraksha creates a very powerful aura around the individuals. So the wearer of this Rudraksha will get benefited with name, fame and health. It is also believed that it can remove any kind of disruptions that individuals are going through in his life, be it in his family relations or office. So this Rudraksha is ideal for those who wants to achieve a clear work-life balance. So far we have learned several types and its benefits of Rudrakshas. At some point in our life, everyone would have heard of Rudrakshas, be it from our parents, relations, friends, or we must have read it somewhere. One of the things which I have come across is people from the society or various different communities believe that Vishnu followers should not be wearing the Rudrakshas, or only Shiva devotees or followers of Shiva should be wearing the Rudrakshas. This is so untrue, isn't it? We have seen each face Rudrakshas are directly connected or linked to different gods and various different planets. And believing that only Shiva followers should be wearing this Rudraksha becomes so untrue. As we just saw in the 11-Mukhi Rudraksha, that 11-Mukhi is blessed by Lord Vishnu himself, by all his 11 incarnations or 11 avatars. So Rudrakshas are meant for every individuals or every human beings. So we must all attain the benefits. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.